Alright, so this is going to be my first time ever doing a video on YouTube, and I just wanted to know what everyone thinks of my voice. I mean, my family tells me I'm pretty good, but, you know, they're family, so you don't really know. So, I just wanted to put it out there and see. Just let me know what you think. Any comments, good, any pointers, that'll really help me out. Alright, here it goes. I've been away for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. Every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tingles in a silly place. It starts in my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane. We're hiding in a safer place. Undercover, staying safe and warm. You give me feelings that I adore. You start to my toes and I crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go.